Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert rain symbol in MS Word. First click on insert, then go symbols, again click on symbols, then more symbols, click on more symbols, font, select this and subset select this and character code is this E288. Now insert. Again I will show you. First click on insert, then click on symbols, again click on symbols, again more symbols, click on more symbols and coordinate select this, subset select this, character code is E288 and insert. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video useful or not. Thanks for watching again.